Yo, 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 welcome to Grow Your Own. Real quick something, let's see what these potatoes hitting like. Oh man, it's my first time growing potatoes. They look like they dying on me. They've been in here since May. They might be overdue. I think I overstuffed them though. I was just throwing these from other sprouted potatoes. I was just stuffing them in there. Let's drag them over here to the concrete and see what type of harvest we got. You remember I pulled this one out. I pulled this one out the other day to show y'all. Pretty decent size. And then we got these little red ones. I put the little red one, planted the little red ones a little later. Glass, I don't know how glass got up in there. Let's see what we working with, y'all. Got these, I eat these little red ones like that. Hold on, let me get a little bucket, y'all. Let me get a little bucket. These rocks. Don't work. Something back here. I'm on top of this bag. There we go. Grab these little red ones. This little big one. Oh, we can make these little. They're not fully grown, but they're still edible. I'm gonna really do something with this bin anyway. These potatoes kept acting funny on me. A whole bunch of little red ones. That's amazing. Ugh, that's all up in here too. Alright, we back. Had a little camera malfunction. I'm digging. Should have, I guess I messed these up, huh? I'm digging. Where the brown ones at? Another one. Make the mini potatoes. I like mini potatoes anyway. They say you're supposed to pull the root up. Oh, I guess it's on the root right here. I was about to say, they say you're supposed to pull it up. Mini potatoes. Mini red potatoes. Oh, here goes another one. Another brown one. I feel like just dumping it all on the ground. And then sorting it out that way. Damn, I ain't get none. I don't think I should have packed it in like this. What the hell is that? Is that all we got? Nah, I don't think so. Let's bump them all over here. Look at these. Some of the easiest work I done done. It's like nature's 3D printer. That's all off of a couple potatoes that was sprouting out in the kitchen. what's this? Oh, I found some more gold, y'all. Red gold. Oh. Let's see, I put these little red ones with some chicken or some steak. I might grill a steak tonight. Oh, we got anything else up in here? The little ones. See, I wanted the little red ones anyway. That's why I ain't let them grow out. I like them little like that. The little red ones. Not these little. Let's see, can I put these back in? See, can I grow them out some more? I'll do another video on that. Do some experimentation on here. Oh, man. I think that's about it, y'all. I see some little bitty ones that look like marbles and shit. But you throwing that in the compost. Did I ever show y'all the compost? I'll show y'all today. Yeah. I got some more. I'm gonna do some sweet potatoes this week. I'm gonna document that. Put it on Grow Your Own. You know, y'all. You are the ones who would like to learn to. Man, save you some money. Grow this at home. It tastes way better. Well, I'll let y'all know about the potatoes. It's my first time ever growing potatoes. But the little I grew last year, my grape tomatoes, it's one of my favorite. Oh my God, they're so delicious. It tasted like candy, man. The ones in the store be good too, but mine was just hit. Oh, look what we found. Mine was just hitting different. Yeah. Man, I wanna be able to grow everything. Hopefully I can get my watermelon. At least one. If I could get one planting like 100 of them, I'll at least get one, I'll be happy. I think that's about it, people. Oh, Yukon Gold. I think. No, I put one in there. I think I would pack it. I'm gonna do garbage bags this time. I seen somebody use garbage bags. I'm gonna do garbage bags. I'm gonna show y'all when I plant that. Sweet potatoes from a rooted sweet potato. Let's see how that turned out. I think that's about it, people. Yeah, I think that's about it. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. See you next time.